What if your technicians didn't start every job from scratch? We believe every inspection should begin with context, history, insight, and clear direction. Introducing the Technician AI Agent, part of the Service AI suite. Before a vehicle even enters the bay, the agent analyzes service history, past repairs, and inspection data to highlight what matters most, so technicians know what to inspect and where to focus, right from the start. And with smart insights, the agent goes even further. It draws on patterns from thousands of technician inspections to surface issues commonly found on this vehicle. It's not just what happened to this car, but what typically happens to others like it. So technicians catch more, miss less, and recommend with confidence. Backed by real-world data, not guesswork. During inspections, technicians simply speak. The agent listens, transcribes findings, captures key measurements, and automatically updates inspection items, hands-free in real time. No clipboards, no rework, no wasted steps. The result is faster, more consistent safety inspections, reduced cycle time, and higher technician productivity across the shop. Technicians are the real heroes who do the work, but now they have an agent to work alongside them to elevate quality, speed, and confidence in every repair. For the techs who have been thinking, AI agents can't help me do my job, this one can.